What if your surgeon's hand never shook, even at the most delicate moments? What if your doctor could see inside your body with microscopic clarity before even making an incision? And what if all of this was guided by artificial intelligence shifting through millions of surgeries in real time? It sounds like science fiction, but inside hospitals around the world, this is already happening. This is the story of how a space age idea born in a NASA lab turned surgery into a marvel of robotics and AI. Because in the operating room today, the brightest light isn't always the surgical lamp. It's the status LED on a learning machine. Robotic surgery wasn't born in a bustling city hospital. Rather, it was born in a space lab. And yes, you have heard that right. In the mid-1980s, NASA engineers at Ames Research Center imagined a future where astronauts might need emergency surgery in zero gravity. A telerobotic arm that could let doctors on Earth operate on a patient millions of miles away. Meanwhile, at Stanford Research Institute, Dr. Frederick Moll, a heart surgeon turned inventor, saw these prototypes and had a similar thought, which I quote. If we can eschewed in zero G, why not do it inside a crowded human abdomen? And with this thought, in 1995, Moore and his small team had taken these ideas into a Menlo Park garage. Their startup would become the company called Intuitive Surgicals, and their creation, the Da Vinci surgical system, would change medicine forever. In those early days, skepticism ran high. Surgeons spent decades perfecting their touch and asked a question. Why replace a steady hand with a $1 million machine? But the first time they peered into Da Vinci 3D HD viewer, something clicked. Suddenly, the surgical field was magnified 10 times, with movements measured in millimeters. Tiny robotic endovascular instruments could even rotate a full 360 degree, filtering out national hand tremors. Within months, urologists realized they could spare critical nerves during prostate cancer operations, reducing complications dramatically. The skeptics soon became believers, and by 2000, the Da Vinci was the first robotic platform to earn FDA clearance for general laparoscopic surgery. And it didn't even stop there. Over 8,000 Da Vinci systems have been installed worldwide, clocking over 13 million procedures and counting even today. And for years, even the Da Vinci was just a dumb robot, a master-slave system that did exactly what the surgeons commanded, nothing more. But hidden in Intuitive servers was a gold mine. Millions of hours of recorded surgeries. And thanks to today's AI, that data is now propelling the next surgical revolution. Algorithm pass every motion, learning the difference between routine movements and subtle adjustments that avert a crisis. And nowadays, even surgeons receive a post-op coaching complete with heat map and efficiency scores. There are companies like Intuitive Case Insights platform which can say, here is where you took 30% longer than the top 10% of surgeons, and here is how to improve it. Meanwhile, new challenges are racing forward. Companies like Medtronic invest in cloud-based AI analytics for its Hugo platform, and Johnson & Johnson is building Ottawa, rumored to integrate seamlessly with advanced imaging. And there are startups like Vicarious Surgical which are reimagining robotics from the ground up. As AI continues to weave itself into surgical workflows, we edge closer to what some call the autonomous stitch, where the robot can perform standardized tasks flawlessly. This could actually save 20 minutes of routine procedure, reducing anesthesia time and risk. But with autonomy comes caution. Surgeons and regulators must ask the few important questions. How much decision making do we trust to AI, and whether do we need human always in the loop to oversee the operation and procedures? Still, for patients like Maria Torres, who walked her dog days after her hysterectomy, the benefits are clear. And also, for surgeons like Dr. Catherine Moore, who spent years hunched over laparoscopic tool, it means no more shoulder pain after an 8-hour case. It's not about replacing the surgeons. AI is all about empowering them. And with each new suture, each new iteration of code, we learn that technology's greatest asset is the wisdom that we feed it. If you believe in the future of AI-powered healthcare, help us spark the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to like this video as it helps the algorithm massively. And make sure to subscribe to our channel as we keep on delivering more videos around AI, tech and finance. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.